GameFi, a potentially explosive niche. Beeman overseas symbol, Phantasma, with Bitcoin threatening its yearly high and the whole of the altcoin space trending upward. Is it time to stick a small bet on a couple of gaming cryptos? Beam and Phantasma are two possibilities for the conservative investor. The cryptocurrency space is perhaps perceived as rather risky. However, these days, with Bitcoin starting to be recognized as an amazing store of value and a hedge against the huge risks in our fiat monetary system, the crypto space is certainly worth looking at. A very small percentage of one's portfolio could be invested into the medium to smaller cap cryptos, and there are many niches within the cryptocurrency sector where an investor can begin their search. One example of a potentially explosive niche is where blockchain fuses with gaming. GameFi is the name of this particular category, and an example of the innovative nature of this niche is the buying and selling of gaming assets on the blockchain. And Beam unlocks many possibilities in this area. Recent partnerships with Immutable, Polygon, and the Merit Circle DAO has brought Beam into the spotlight as the third-ranking altcoin in the GameFi category, with a market cap of nearly $1.3 billion. Increasingly, migrants end in the rest of the day. So the data gets to no longer has been really replicated. Most views of the final physics in pretty much looking at the price action for Beam on the weekly time frame, it can be seen that the Beam price is a long way from its top at $2.08. In fact, the current price of 10 cents really is a far cry. So it's either a case of a coin going to zero or an exceptional possibility. And so CoinGecko forward stance trading view, massive, zooming into the short-term 4-hour time frame, the price action looks much healthier. A local top in December was followed by sideways, a cumulative price action, which culminated in a recent price surge. Beam looks to be settling above is supporting 786 chance Fibonacci, and therefore the next price target could be the 1.618 Fibonacci at 036. And source, CoinGecko trading view. Phantasma is a similar story on a high time frame to Beam, an all-time high of just under $4 in the last crypto bull market. The price has degenerated to 355, fourth crypto climate, under 12 cents. Once again, this is either a fool's bet or one made by an astute speculator. And pick up his arms. Source, CoinGecko / trading view. Zooming in to the current price action, it can be seen that Sol has avoided a lower low and that the price has just broken out with a view to increasing. A higher high would break the downward trend and perhaps make Sol a potential hold for the rest of this crypto bull market. Finally, trade cryptocurrencies like this with a lot of caution. Make sure stop losses are in place and that full risk management is employed. Stop